Well, good evening. It's John Porton, and thank you for watching my channel. At last it stopped raining, and I felt like I wanted to go for a little ride out this evening. So I'm only riding local, but I think you'll agree, beautiful villages, beautiful scenery, and nice little roads for the Royal Enfield Himalayan. Now this road is local to me, but can't say I come down here very often. I've probably come down here twice that I know of. So we just steady away. So we're just coming into Ledsham. What a lovely little place it is as well. Straight across the road there's a lovely pub. The Checkers. Lovely little pub. And there's still a little bit of bunting up from the weekend's celebrations, the Platinum Jubilee. And I've got to say, I didn't watch a lot of television, but I did manage to see the Queen and Paddington Bear, and that were just unbelievably funny. And then to top it off for me, the Queen, the band, they were on, and one of my favourite bands. I didn't really watch a lot more. Well, it's lovely to get out on the bike again. And it's only just stopped raining late on this morning. So we're going to turn down here to Fairburn, and if you don't know, at Fairburn we've got a massive lake, and it's called Fairburnings, and it's very scenic, and the RSPB, they run it, and it's a bird sanctuary. You get all the twitchers going there, but also they've made lovely paths through woods and out in the open, and it's just lovely to go, lovely and peaceful to go. and have a walk round. Basically, you don't have to be interested in birds, although I think, you know, I don't mind seeing nice birds, especially birds of prey. And we're coming down to it now, and because of the trees you can't really see it, but it's an area that's been mined for minerals for centuries, and then lately, last century, it was coal mining, and basically a lot of subsidence and what have you. The river Aire is right next to it, and it's filled up and made a massive lake, and hence it being a wildlife sanctuary, and it is just across there now. But it's a lovely little ride on the bike as well. There used to be a lay-by down here, but they've made a proper little park further down the road. You can just see through the trees. Wonderful. It's a lovely village, is Fairburn. Very historic. Goes down back to Doomsday, when the de Lacy's owned it. That's a lake, absolutely beautiful. I'll take you round the roundabout and have a look at it a little bit better. Oh, look at that. And that is Fairburn Ings. Absolutely wonderful place. Right on my doorstep. You can't imagine a century ago it was just an absolute hub of industrial wasteland, where you see a lot of the trees and what have you. It's all mining spoil, and just look at it now, you'd never know. Well, thank you very much for watching my video, if you've made it to the end. And if you like my little bimbles about, or bumbles about, on the Royal Enfield Himalayan, please press the like button. Feel free to comment, and if you could subscribe, I'm getting closer to 1,000 subscribers. I'd be most grateful. Thank you very much for watching.